Twitter allows you to capture and create your own animated GIFs. Did you also want to create your own GIFs in the Twitter and you are not able to do that? Then yes, this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, I will be exactly showing you guys how to make Twitter GIFs. Now let's go straight into the process. Open your Twitter app, here we go. Now here you can see this plus icon, tap on that. Here you can see this icon of camera, you have to click on this and you have to tap on this circle which is given at the bottom so you can capture your GIF in this way. If you are satisfied with the GIF, you can use this, but if you are not, then you can tap on this option retake. But as I am satisfied with my GIF, I will be tapping on use GIF in this way. Now you can give the caption here and then tap on tweet on the top right corner. In this way you can easily make Twitter GIFs. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also comment down below what you guys wanna see in upcoming videos. Thank you.